The following King of the Ring first round contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, from Sarasota, Florida, the Superstar.
Oh, what a matchup this is going to be.
And approaching the ring, from Afghanistan, Tiger 3.
Well, the WWE Universe sure isn't shy about sharing their feelings about this superstar. Here we go, and this one's destined to be a human demolition derby. Into the tie-up, who's gonna get the upper hand? Superstar with a counter out of nowhere. He's putting those educated feet to good use. The superstar's looking great here at the top of the first. This could be huge. And he lands in a heap. Oh, that did it. Wow, that might have broken his jaw. Elbow drop. Fantastic suplex. A swift kick. There's another great kick. You hear how his leg connected? Oh, no. Wait a minute, Cole. What's he going to do here? Get ready, folks. Get ready. He saw that one coming. Drop. He's got him up. Ouch, what a landing. He's putting those educated feet to good use. out what's going on here. Telegraph. The superstar capitalizes. Did you hear how his leg connected? That landed like a ton of bricks. And did you hear the impact on that kick?
A textbook reversal. Can he follow up?
Ooh. Cole. Uh-oh. He whipped that one.
And he doesn't stay down for long. We are live on Monday Night Raw in the middle of this outstanding match.
He's got him up. Big body slam. Whoa! Oh, now can the superstar capitalize? The superstar with a counter out of nowhere. Whoa, look out. He's trying to turn this around.
Look at this. Here he comes. He's not done yet. Oh, no, he's here to fight.
Whoa,
What a move.
There's the pin. Can his opponent...
A kick out, and you can see the frustration start to build.
watch it, watch it. Watch it! The superstar nails it!
And it looks like we could be heading back into the ring.
He was one step ahead on that one.
Every time he has to get up, it takes... No! I'm not sure. But with a miss like that, I'm wondering if he has something in his eye. Here's a cover. 2. Oh, wow.
Another shot with the boot.
He's putting those educated feet to good use.
Was there. And this has got to be it.
2, 3. The superstar wins. We got a couple of highlights here. Let's check them out. And here's just some of the action. Well, I don't know how you could fit this. This was a...
Here is your winner, the Superstar.
Absolutely amazing.
We knew he felt he had to win this one tonight.
I mean, there's absolutely no way to underscore how big this victory is. Perhaps the biggest in his life.